Hey there, Houston home sellers. If you're looking to sell your home fast, you've come to the right place. I'm here to share some top tips on what buyers are really looking for. So let's dive right in. First up, curb appeal. You've heard it before, but it's true. First impressions matter. Make sure your lawn is well maintained, add some fresh flowers, and give your front door a fresh coat of paint. It's like dressing your home for success. Next, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers need to imagine themselves living in your home, and that's hard to do with your personal stuff everywhere. Pack away those family photos, clear off countertops, and keep your decor neutral. Think of it as setting a blank canvas for buyers. Now let's talk about lighting. Brighten up your home by opening curtains, adding new light fixtures, or even just changing out old bulbs. Natural light is a huge selling point, so make the most of it. Moving on to minor repairs. Fix those leaky faucets, squeaky doors, and chipped paint. These small issues can signal to buyers that bigger problems might be lurking. A well-maintained home gives buyers confidence. Don't forget a fresh coat of paint. Stick to neutral colors. They appeal to a wider range of buyers and make spaces feel larger and cleaner. It's an easy and cost-effective way to give your home a facelift. Lastly, stage your home. Arrange furniture to highlight each room's purpose and create a flow. If you're not sure where to start, consider hiring a professional stager. They know exactly how to showcase your home's best features. All right, there you have it. My top tips for selling your Houston home fast. Remember, a little effort can make a big difference. Good luck and happy selling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips. Catch you next time.